and welcome back or welcome to the channel. This is the Vintage Brickery, and I am your builder in chief, Sir Travis. All right, today we have something different. I haven't done anything from the Castle series since the Maiden's Cart. So today we've got set number 6039 from the Lion Knights series. This is the twin arm launcher. This was released in 1988. It's got 69 parts and 2 minifigures and a horse. And I do have the instructions. Awesome. So, hopefully, this might be a little clearer. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. Kind of unwieldy. Not really. Anyway, there we go. Okay. Let's get it going here. The horsey here. Guys. This is the knight with the armor. Get his neck protector on here. He's got a little battle damage there. All right. Black hips, the blue legs there. We have the shield. The rings on it. That's pretty cool. One. I guess I have the got them as the launcher, I guess. In. He also has a shield. He carries a sword. All right. And got the horse here. Oops. Got the, what would you call these? Blankets? Yeah. So, or, I don't know, I'm going to look it up. See what that thing's called. Maybe I should look it up. Oops. That's not the way that goes. It goes down here. All right. My thing back here. See if it says what that is called. Barding. Cool. Horse barding. Okay. There we go. And kind of funny, but when they're not riding them, they have to look like they're a whole horse without a hole in them. So they made it like that. Take those out when you put the rider in. There we go. Anyway, there's a really cool pattern there. Lion Knights. This side's the only problem here. I got one little broken thing there, but that's okay. Nothing goes on that side, I guess. All right. these instructions. Yeah, just lay them over here. There we go. 4 wheel holders. 1x4. Where's that got junk on it? Where's my thing? Okay, I'm gonna have to pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I switched it out. I wasn't gonna clean that thing off. It was, I mean, I tried to clean it off a little bit, but it would not come off, so I had to wash it. So. And I don't have time to let it dry, so I just gotta know. Here. Oh. Yeah. These on each side here. There it is. One by. And there's 2. These are the pins. Pins. 1x2 modified with pin. Here. Slope here. Light holders. Light holder. Well, there goes it. Didn't look like it for a second. My 4 plate on the top there. Flip this over here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. These are. Yep. They look the same in there. These are the B. I may put up a picture there. I don't know if I've done that yet. Put up a picture of the A, B, C, and D in this. Everybody knows what I'm referring to. Come on now. And why are these not wanting to go on? Good grief. Okay, well, there should be one more here. And then. Oh, there it is. Hiding from me. Alright. Well, now I've got 2. These are the antennas here. Sticking the side here. Not really sure how far. Guess we'll find out. Alright. there. Okay. Set that to the side. I'm going to build the twin arms here. And here's a 1x6 with the hinge fingers 2 and 3. 3 goes on the 2 there. We got the plate. From there. We got the bucket. These are like sort of like trebuchet type stuff, or yeah. Yeah. Tile on the top there. First one. One more here. On this side. There. The other bucket. This goes on this side. All right. Now, 2 other tins. Goes there, clicks in, 2 places, like so. Now I got 2 spear back here. Awesome. Oh, weird. Now this one. There's a lot more free moving than this one. I wonder what that is. Need to lube that one up or something. Alright. And the flags go on these here. Alright. There's the ammo up here in the front. I have to look here for a second here. I have to switch these out. Let me see. Let's check the inventory on this thing and see what it says. No, it's not supposed to be a solid brick. There's a solid stud, so I'm gonna have to switch this one out. So, but that's no big deal at the moment, so I ain't gonna worry about it. I'll switch it out before I do the reveal. New wheels on there. And these thing here, there's 2. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. What that's supposed to represent. The top goes on the barrel here. And that sits right back here. Then these two set on these things here. Then one more thing. Where do I have an extra one of these? That's odd. I have an extra one of those. Didn't need one anyway. Oh. Okay, we have to take the thing out of the horse here. Well, I'll get that in the reveal there. But anyway, okay, let's remind everybody what we started with. All right, there we go. I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next build.